Supercharger wine on the Jag. It's got an aftermarket supercharger, which is a Mina Gallery. So let's see how it sounds. Now that you hear the Jag, let's go check out the Hellcat Supercharger wine. I guess in this situation, both cars are fair because they both have aftermarket Supercharger cold air intake. So you got the Legmaker, carbon fiber Legmaker cold air intake, and as you saw earlier, the Jag has the Mina Gallery. So let's hear the Hellcat this time. Let me know what you think. Which one is better? Now we got to move the cars for outside so we can hear the exhaust. Hopefully the neighbors don't get mad at me. I'm doing it for you guys. Alright, so like and comment below for the risk of me getting yelled at by the neighbors here.